How you doing? My name is Jeremy Schneiderman, CEO and co-founder of Drone Nerds. Really excited about the ElevateUAV conference and how this has really turned out. As you can see, we had an amazing turnout of participants, exhibitors, and vendors, bringing together the best technology in the world today for the drone industry. Thank you very much for attending. We can't wait to do this again.
Welcome to ElevateUAV. My name is Alex Nafisi. I'm one of the co-founders here at Drone Nerds. We had an amazing event today here. We had amazing participants. We had amazing people coming here and asking a lot of great questions. And we're looking forward to seeing everybody in ElevateUAV Miami 2024. Thanks, guys.
I am the Chief Marketing Officer here at Drone Nerds. We are so excited to do this because we are bringing more awareness and education to an industry that really genuinely changes lives. I'm happy to be here today. I'm looking forward to hosting this event again in the future as a part of Drone Nerds, and keep an ear out because news is going to come soon.
I'm Brian Anderson, and I'm a firefighting instructor at Palm Beach State College and here in Florida. It's been a great conference. I've learned a lot, the opportunity to network, see all the different equipment that's out here. It's been just great. I'm really thankful to Drone Nerds and all the folks with the conference who put it on and all the sponsors. Thanks a lot.